Paper 14, Chapter 8, Security Analysis and Portfolio Management, question number 36. According to question, calculate mean returns and standard deviation of returns for the following individual stocks. They provided data for 5 years and a return on stocks for 5 years. Years 2011 to 15, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15. On stock X, we have returns like 12.40, 7.20, 8, 4.80, 0.40. Likewise, in stock Y, we have returns of negative 19, minus 23.40, positive value of 27.60, negative value of 10.60, and positive return of 19%. So from these details, we have to calculate mean of returns and standard deviation. Mean will be represented as X on top with bar, and mean is nothing but average return for these 5 years. Standard deviation is represented with sigma. So let us get into the answer. Firstly, we have written 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15 years and corresponding returns on X and Y. Total returns indicated with XI and total returns on Y represented with YI. Total returns during these 5 years in X is 32.80, that is sum of returns, and when it comes to Y, it is minus 6.40. As I said at the beginning of this video, mean is nothing but average. So 32 divided by 32.80 divided by 5 is 6.56. When it comes to Y, that is minus value, minus 6.40 divided by 5, that is minus 1.28. Here, xi minus x whole square. This we are calculating for calculation of variation and standard deviation. Okay, so xi minus mean x whole square can be calculated like this: 12.40 minus mean value of x 6.56. The answer whatever comes, that we need to do square. So values we can find in next question answer. 12.4 on that 37th question is relevant to 36th question. So let us go to that and see how much we are getting the answer. 12.40 minus 6.56 is equal to 5.84. 5.84 minus into 5.84. 5.84 into 5.84 is 34.11. Likewise, 7.20 minus 6.56 is equal to 0.64. 0.64 into 0.64 is minus 41. Likewise, for 2015, 0.40 into minus 6.56 is minus 6.16. Minus 1.6 into minus 1.6. Minus into minus becomes plus. The plus value will be 37.95. Total amount is 77.64. And when it comes to Y, here we can see minus value of 19. Minus value of 19 minus 28. Here we just not looking 2 minuses, we are looking 3 minuses. Minus into minus becomes plus, but minus into minus 3 minuses are there. Let us see how much the value comes in here in calci. Firstly, minus 19 minus 1.28. I missed minus here. See, minus. How much it is? Minus 7.72. Okay, minus 7.42. And we need to what? Square minus square root. Okay, so this value is what, 314, right? So the 313.9984, that is what we can see here in xi minus mean, sorry, x y, no, yi minus mean y whole square column 314, that is here, this one. Likewise we'll calculate this and all. When it comes to 27, 27.60, see, let us see, 26.60 minus of minus 1.28. Here we can see plus value 27.28. 27.28 into 278.28 is 834. Hope you understood. Okay, that is how we can calculate xi minus x mean whole square values. So mean we have seen earlier how to calculate. Okay, 6.56 and this one 1.28, and now we need to calculate variation. So square root of variation becomes what? Standard deviation. To calculate standard deviation, we need to calculate variation. Variation is represented with sigma x square. Sigma x square is equal to summation of xi minus x mean whole square divided by n minus 1. N minus 1 represents what? Number of years minus 1. So sum of this x minus x mean square is 77.64. When it comes to y, 2135.48 divided by 5 minus 1. Okay, that becomes 19.41 for is variation of x, and variation of y is 533.87. To get standard deviation, we need to apply square root to these values. Square root of 19.41 is 4.41. When it comes to y, square root of 533.87. The answer is 4.41 for x standard deviation. When it comes to y standard deviation is 23.11, that is 23.11.